Hello, my name is Bobby Seagull. I'm a school maths teacher, author, presenter for the BBC TV series Monkman and Seagull's Genius Guide, and most importantly, your Potential Plus UK ambassador. Good luck to everyone taking part in the 2.6 challenge. My own version is to memorise and recall the first 26 square numbers. So here goes. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, 400, 441, 484, 529, 576, 625, 676. I need a bit of practice, but good luck in your challenge.